Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the 17th ASEAN-India Summit. Prime Minister Modi says India and ASEAN nations have similar objectives and increasing connectivity between the two is a very important goal. Hong Kong's pro-democracy opposition lawmakers threatened to resign en masse. This in a protest against the dismissal of 4 of their colleagues from the city assembly. Beijing had earlier given local authorities new powers to further curb dissent. After the recent disqualification of 4 Hong Kong lawmakers, China could face fresh sanctions from the US and the UK. Washington accuses Beijing of flagrant violation of commitments, and the UK's junior foreign minister says that they are considering sanctions. Russia and Turkey have signed a memorandum of understanding towards the creation of a joint peacekeeping center. Russian peacekeeping troops have begun deployment in Nagorno-Karabakh hours after Armenia and Azerbaijan agreed to halt fighting over the separatist region. The European Commission has proposed new rules to grant the European Union the power to declare a health emergency. The proposal aims to ensure more coordination among EU states amid the crisis. EU members slammed the WHO for delay in declaring the coronavirus pandemic, and now the bloc seeks powers to declare such an emergency on its own. Aerial footage reveals the destruction unleashed by Typhoon Bamko, which left 40,000 homes submerged. Philippines officials said previously that nearly 200,000 people had been evacuated, some of them forcibly, from vulnerable coastal and low-lying areas.